Hello friends, welcome to Agriculture Knowledge School YouTube channel. Today we will discuss a very important topic. A plant pathology is gram staining technique for gram positive and gram negative bacteria. So let's start this topic. Gram staining technique. So gram staining method. Gram staining method, the most important procedure in microbiology, was developed by Danish physician Hans Christian Gram in 1884. Gram staining is still the cornerstone of bacterial identification and taxonomic division. So gram staining technique was given by Christian Gram in 1884. This is very important question. So the differential staining procedure separates most bacteria into two groups on the basis of cell wall composition. So do you know what is the bacterial cell wall is made with peptidoglycan? So gram positive bacteria thick layer of peptidoglycan is 90% of cell wall. Stains purple. So gram positive bacteria stains purple color, and gram negative bacteria thin layer of peptidoglycan 10% cell wall at high lipid content stains red and pink. When you stain the bacterial smear and the color comes red or pink, so it will be gram negative bacteria, and when it stains is purple, you can say it is the gram positive bacteria. For identification of the staining techniques, peptidoglycan is very important. So we will classify in next slides of gram positive, gram negative bacteria. So the gram stain has four steps. When we do gram staining, we should follow four steps. First is crystal violet. We use crystal violet. Second is iodine. Third is alcohol, and fourth is saffron. So what does work crystal violet? So it is the primary stain. स्ट्रेन हो गया, वो स्टेन होगा. नंबर सेकंड इज आयोडीन. सेकंड में वी यूज आयोडीन. आयोडीन एक्ट एज मोर्डेंट. ओके. एंड थर्ड इज एल्कोहल. एल्कोहल इज यूज फॉर decolorized agent. We change the color. And fourth is saffron, the counter stain. So saffron count the decolorized agent. It will be purple, pink or blue. So these are the four important steps. So gram staining techniques involve the following steps. So first is fixation of clinical materials to the surface of the microscope slide either by heating or by using methanol. So we prepare the smear. Smear will be you can use curd, it may be curd. Okay. So second step is application of the primary stain. Primary stain, do you know? Crystal violet. Crystal violet stains all cells blue or purple. Second is application of mordant. So the iodine solution mordant is added to form a crystal violet iodine complex. All cells continue to appear blue. And number fourth is decolorization steps. So it is the very important step for staining of the bacteria cells. So the decolorization step distinguishes gram positive from gram negative cells. And the organic solvent such as acetone or ethanol extract the blue dye complex from the lipid rich thin walled gram negative bacteria to a greater degree than from the lipid poor thick walled gram positive bacteria. So the gram negative bacteria appear colorless and gram positive bacteria remain blue. So discoloration process में सिंपल बात यह है कि जब हम इथेनॉल का यूज़ करते हैं तो ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया से ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया अलग हो जाते हैं, और ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया जो रहते हैं वो ब्लू हो जाते हैं, और जो ग्राम हमारे पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया रहते हैं वह कलरलेस हो जाते हैं डिसकलरेशन की प्रोसेस में. ओके ना. नंबर फोर्थ इज एप्लीकेशन ऑफ काउंटर स्टेन और सेफ्रेनिन. सेफ्रेनिन, डू यू नो, इट इज़ द फैमिली, सेफ्रेनिन फैमिली इज इरिडेसी. So the red dye safranin stains the decolorized gram negative cells red, pink, and the gram positive bacteria remain blue. So red and pink color is the symbol of gram negative cells, and the blue color is the symbol of gram positive bacteria. So what is the difference between gram positive and gram negative? So first is thickness. So gram positive thicker wall is 20 to 25 nanometer, and in gram negative thinner 10 to 15 nanometer. Layer, so gram positive a single thick layer, and gram negative two layer. First is peptidoglycan plus outer membrane. Size of peptidoglycan, so in gram positive bacteria 90% dry weight of cell wall of peptidoglycan, but in gram negative bacteria about 10% is the proportion of cell wall of peptidoglycan. Susceptibility to penicillin, so gram positive is more susceptible and gram negative is less susceptible for penicillin. And mechanical disintegration, gram positive is less susceptible and gram negative is more susceptible. Other constituents may we can talk. So gram positive, in gram positive polysaccharides and teichoic acid. Teichoic acid is very important. Teichoic acid is the part of gram positive bacteria. Think, remember, teichoic acid is the part of gram positive bacteria, and in gram negative lipopolysaccharides, phospholipids, protein, peptidoglycan layer linked to outer membrane by bronze lipoproteins. So this is the difference between gram positive and gram negative. An example of gram positive bacteria is Clavibacter, Corynebacter is the gram positive bacteria example. In gram negative, Pseudomonas, Xanthomonas is the gram negative bacteria. So these are the flow diagram. First is we fix करते हैं with the smear, फिर उसमें क्रिस्टल वायलेट डालते हैं, फिर आयोडीन ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं, फिर डी कलराइजेशन के लिए एल्कोहल डालते हैं, एथेनॉल डालते हैं, फिर काउंटर स्टेन के लिए हम सेफ्रेरिन डालते हैं. सेफ्रेरिन केसर को बोलते हैं. तो ब्लू एंड पर्पल हो जाता है. ब्लू है तो ग्राम पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा एट द एंड, एंड एट द एंड पर्पल है यदि हो तो ग्राम नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. So these are the simple procedure in the laboratory. First is flood the slide with crystal violet staining reagent for 1 minute. Number 2, wash the smear by direct stream of tap water for 2 seconds. Flood the slide with iodine mordant for 1 minute. Number 4 is wash the slide by indirect stream of tap water for 2 seconds. Third is blot the smear dry with absorbent paper. Number, immerse the smear in 90% ethanol for 30 seconds. Number next, blot the smear dry with absorbent paper. Number third, immerse the smear for 2 minutes with counter stain, and wash the smear in a gentle and indirect stream of water until no color appears in the wash water, and blot the smear dry with absorbent paper. And number end में examine under the microscope. So this is the gram staining technique. Thank you for watching our video. Please like our video, subscribe our video, and press the bell icon for upcoming most important video. Thank you for watching videos of Agriculture Knowledge School.